Ciao everybody, welcome back. Storm watch again today. It's 6 o'clock in the morning on Saturday, and Super Typhoon Yagi is on the way to Ha Long. Got a gentleman going past on a motorbike here. I'm not going far because everyone's asleep and I can't find an umbrella. But I wanted to update you on what's happened overnight. So you might notice in the street here, a lot less cars parked out in the street than we normally see. I can see some tarpaulins blowing like crazy on the construction site across the road. And it has started raining, so I woke up about 4 this morning, the rain was coming down. I normally park my car under these trees here. That's up around the corner now because we don't want a tree to come down. I'm just going to try and get to the corner of the street, but it is raining and might not be possible. One of the things that has confused me is the designations of Super Typhoon, Typhoon, Tropical Cyclone, and sort of a rain-bearing depression. They all seem to be used interchangeably, depending on what type of angst you're trying to generate. And suffice to say, it's a big one. Everyone's battened down. I just got a message on my phone from the phone message people, sort of letting me know to stay inside between 9 and 3. A lot of wind, strong wind coming, and it's picking up here now. I didn't need to get the boat out because as you can see, it's just raining, no flooding yet, but I suspect a lot of very strong gusts are actually coming. All right, that's the state of play for Vietnam Steve storm watching here in Ha Long Bay. Super Typhoon Yagi on the way, expected to hit this morning, and we've got some pretty solid wind gusts coming through now. I've got a building across the road with tarpaulins on it that are going spazzo, and I'm getting wet here. Unfortunately, I couldn't find the umbrella. If we do get water up to my knees, I'll get out and show you. But you can expect another update in about 12 hours. So this is 6 in the morning in Ha Long Bay. Please subscribe to the channel. That's the only way I know you get access to the latest entertainment. Like the updates if you like the updates. And comment on what those designations about typhoons mean. Super Typhoon, Typhoon, Tropical Cyclone, Hurricane. I've heard them all used interchangeably, which doesn't give me confidence in the forecasters. It makes me think that they went to forecast school straight out of kindergarten. Those tarpaulins over there aren't going to last because it's just a blustery 80 kilometres an hour here, but they're almost coming off. Stay safe. I'll see you in the next one. Well, look, since I've got back, it has intensified a little bit out there. A few more squalls coming through more frequently. I've just pulled this together for you and put it up to the interweb, so I hope you like it. If it does get worse and we do get some flooding, I'll get the boat out and I will get those flooding snaps to you as they happen. When I got back, I did find the umbrella. So when I went out, I was looking against the right-hand wall. Couldn't find it for love nor money. And when I came back in, I noticed that the umbrella was against the left-hand wall. In fact, there was two umbrellas. The other thing that's important to note about this super typhoon, hurricane, tropical cyclone, rain-bearing depression, and it's the terminology that does my head in, is that while the winds are at 200 kilometres an hour out at the super typhoon location, it is only moving towards land at 10 kilometres per hour. So if you think about it, there's a storm coming, you could actually walk away from this storm. So that sort of puts things into perspective, I suppose. While the wind may be raging at 200 kilometres an hour, it's only coming towards me at 10 kilometres an hour. So if I chose to, I've got the sneakers on here, I could just walk in the opposite direction and be safe. I think there's some logic in that. Put a comment in the comment spot, and I'll see you once flooding and devastation hits.